Welcome to day 7 of my 30-day sculpting challenge. Today marks 1 week that I have been consecutively sculpting every day, which is kind of wild because that means that the YouTube accountability effect is working. I've been doing a lot of busts and heads, and I wanted to do something different. So I decided to do something that is technically a full body, but really still just a head. Numemon, the pink poop slinging slime, was one of my favorite Digimon growing up, so I gathered some references, not a ton, and then I got a little too ambitious and decided I was going to try a complete detailed iris. To start, I built everything up from a low poly sphere and Z-remeshed my way into a rough slime shape. One extra challenge I gave myself was to make this sculpt asymmetrical, so I turned my symmetry off. Not sure I did myself any favors there. I blocked out the mouth first, which was tricky because it's basically just a void, and there aren't a lot of clear anatomical landmarks. I added a hint of lips, pulled out the eye tentacle things, and then started working on the gums. I still really don't know if it's better to use spheres for things like this or just build it directly on the mesh. It's definitely something I need to experiment with more. Then I added the teeth, and I'm gonna be honest, this took me way too much time. I think the top teeth alone took half of my sculpting session. They kind of look cool, but they also kind of look off. It definitely made me realize I need way more practice sculpting teeth. Once I looked at the clock, I had about 15 minutes left. At this point, I started scrambling, rushing through the teeth, and then trying to sculpt through the gums. With less than 10 minutes left, I finally moved on to my extremely ambitious eyes. Fully panicking at this point, I threw everything into power sculpting the eye tentacles, but the proportions were way off, and yeah, it looked pretty rough. And then time was up. But I guess that's kind of the point here, is to learn and practice and get better. And there was quite a lot to learn. I think the big takeaway from this one is if you're trying to do something fast, block out the entire sculpt first and make sure you match the silhouette that you want to get. And then, and only then, you can dive into details. I also learned that asymmetrical sculpts can take twice as long because you need to sculpt both sides and you can't really take advantage of the symmetry tools. Well, I do think I could come back and do a much better job on this one, adding more details with a lot more time. What do you think? Would you like to see a complete version of Numemon? What ideas do you have for me to sculpt next? Throw them in the comments, and I'll see you on day 8.